What's going on, YouTube? Back out here doing stuff outside. As you can see, that's my as you can see side. As you can see, greenhouse looks the same. Still got a Rolo plastic right over here. It's time to replace that roof. Finally. So, and yeah. No, hey, look, there's a bird. Woo! Nah, it's time to replace this plastic. We're gonna go ahead and get this thing done. Make it look awesome again. Shouldn't take very long. Let's see how quick I can do it. I don't have an idea of how much I'm gonna speed up the GoPro, but I believe it's 4 times or 4 or 6 or something like that. So if you slow that down, or I guess multiply it by 4 or 6, that will give you the amount of time that it actually takes to do it. Let me see, do I have anything to talk about before I get going, besides that the mosquitoes are out and the yellow flies and the green flies are biting me like crazy? One fun thing, these furring strips right here is what locks in my greenhouse. I know Charles has that awesome wiggle wire. I probably should have looked into doing that first, but this is the cheaper way to do it. So all you have to do is remove these things, pull all the plastic, and put up new plastic. And I'm going to do this all by myself, as always. This is a 12-foot wide by 24-foot greenhouse. I'm going to do all this by myself. The only tools you're going to need is that Rolo plastic. You're going to need a screw gun to take out the furring strips that I just showed off, and you're going to need a razor knife to cut off the extra plastic that you've got. I've got all that. Oh, and 2 ladders, yeah. And if you want to get even crazier with it, you know, be all high tech and stuff, grab some clamps, any kind of clamps that you got. I'll show you how those work here shortly. So I think I have some clamps left. Maybe I don't. Maybe we're not going high tech, we're going low tech. But whatever, it's time to replace this daggone greenhouse roof. That's getting done right now. So let's get into this. And there we go. Roof on the greenhouse. Hopefully you saw most of what I was doing there. Fern strips the whole way down, over here, up and over. Cut out the door, cut out the little fan flap, all that fun stuff. But that's it. That's how quick it takes to throw on a roof by yourself. So I'm sure it can go a lot quicker if you had 2 people, 2 drills and all that stuff, but not happening over here. I barely have 1 drill. Actually, the last 3 screws that I put in, I don't know if this is going to be on the video, but the last, what board was it? This one right here. The last one I put in, the last 3 screws, I had to change it from, level 2 to level 1 on the drill, just so that it would actually put them in, because my batteries are dying. They are old batteries, and I need a whole new drill. So that'll happen sometime in the future, but there we go. Roof back on. We have a safe space for the peppers once again. So thanks for hanging out, watching another roof going up on the greenhouse. Thanks for everybody that helped in on this. Sorry it was so late, but you'll find out more about that later. I keep saying that because I don't talk about things until they happen. So yeah, we're gonna have more stuff coming out, all that fun, happy stuff. So hop in the comment section, throw a comment down below, not just for me. I love all the comments, but for everybody else, because I encourage everybody to hop into the comment section down below, leave a comment, letting everybody know that you were here, and everybody else, hop in the comment section, find someone new, subscribe up, watch all their videos, give them tons of thumbs up. There's a mystery Amazon link down below. Make sure you go check that sucker out. Also, got a pepper update coming out here very shortly. Live streams. Lately, they've only been Monday for pretty much like plant talk or whatever. And Friday, getting loose. And after the whole work week, need to let loose. So check out those live streams. Do all that fun, happy social media stuff down below. Look, there's, oh, you missed it. There was a wasp right there at the top. Flew right around. It's like, oh, look at this. We got a new, there it is right there. It's right on the corner. It's like, oh, we got a new spot where there's not going to be any rain. Let's make a nest. And I'm sure I'll get dive bombed by them. So, yeah, hit that subscribe button. That way you can come back and watch me get dive bombed by wasps. That'll be great. But anyway, that was it. This was a video. It's done. And now I'm going inside because I have about 300 mosquito bites. And it's not fun. I'm going to go make dinner. Later on, everybody. Oh, wait, did I say do all that fun, happy social media stuff down below? Well, if I did. Well, if I didn't, you can imagine what it'd be like if I did. So do all that stuff. I'll catch you in the next video. So till then, later.